sofa has a ton of features. Let me show you them. It has a side table. The backrest is adjustable, not only here, but all the way around. So all you're going to do is just kind of push it up, get to right where you need it. Has a storage space. You can easily make this into a sleeper or just some more room. We even have more storage space. So we do have a light here on the side, and then we have a couple of ports here to charge up your smart devices, Type-C and a USB-A. You don't need any tools to put these together. We just have these little hangers on the end of the furniture, and then they just kind of slide into each other. The sofa is super comfortable. I mean, it's very soft. And what I like about it with this extra space here, I can really relax. We can play games with my family, or it can be used as an extra sleeping space if you have guests over. Overall, I really like it, and it's great for watching TV too.